You're watching KSHP TV. With Kansas City's in-depth news, this is NBC 41 News Nightcast.
How many times have you been to the doctor's office and forgotten to ask an important question or gotten confused days later? Well, now you can find answers from your home. NBC 41 Sally Moore puts it under the microscope in tonight's Public Defender's Consumer Alert.
Seemingly buried in the basement of Research Medical Center. A scene most of us haven't seen since high school biology class. Lab technicians take a swab of this and a vial of that to create a culture of who knows what.
You need any more of these, Lisa? No, I think I have them all.
Scientists slide samples under the microscope and up to the magnifying glass to search for what's bugging us. And once they've crunched the numbers and reached a well-measured conclusion.
And I remember why we were doing hers to follow up on tachycardia.
Translating the results of those lengthy lab reports lies with time-pressured physicians.
Hi, Clemente. How are you?
Like internist Elizabeth Andes.
That time is a big one, and it's difficult to get enough time.
In fact, with the average length of a doctor's appointment now just 15 minutes, some suggest patient care is suffering. A recent study followed more than 1,000 conversations between doctors and patients. The results, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, showed in 9 out of 10 cases, patients did not get good explanations of proposed treatments or tests.
Yet research shows patients who understand their test results, who take an active role in their treatment, are much more likely to get better. Luckily, the key to improving that communication now lies in a patient's hands, too.
This is a way for patients to get more involved and not to feel silly for asking questions. They can just ask the computer and feel okay.
The computer, more precisely, a specific website called Lab Tests Online. Dr. Andes calls it the best online collection for patient information she's ever found. Here, drop-down menus let patients access just about any information on just about any test or condition.
I like this website for 2 main reasons. Number one, it's very informative. Lots and lots of information, and it's well written. It's easy to understand. And secondly, there was no commercial bias that I could see. And believe me, I looked.
That means no pop-up ads or pushes to buy particular pharmaceutical products. Just clear-cut, in-depth information compiled by a consortium of the biggest names in research laboratories.
For the patient-oriented website, this is really outstanding.
It would be interesting. It would be very interesting.
Patients like Lily Turner, who's taking small steps towards recovery after adrenal gland surgery, understand how empowering knowledge can be. Her son used the internet to help her prepare for her operation last month.
You read and then you understand what it is. It tells you what the procedures, the surgery is all about and what to expect.
Lily hopes she'll never again need information like what's offered with Lab Tests Online. But if she does, she takes comfort knowing she won't need a medical degree to understand what's happening with her body, a sentiment that could prove contagious. After all, when the subject matter is your health, even science speak quickly becomes captivating. With photographer Tim Hellick, Sally Moore, NBC 41 News.
Dr. Andes is so impressed with online.org. She's telling patients about it while sending them home with their lab tests. But remember, the internet is still not as good as communication with your doctor.
If you can get that good communication.
Right.
So good luck with that.